The Lucid Gravity has just earned its official Euro New Car Assessment Program rating, and the results highlight how seriously Lucid approaches safety. This all-electric large sport utility vehicle was evaluated across multiple crash scenarios, assistance systems, and protection categories, and the findings paint a clear picture of a family-centered flagship built with advanced engineering. What immediately stood out were its high scores, including an 83% rating for adult occupant protection, 93% for child occupants, 80% for vulnerable road users, and 85% for safety assist technology. During the frontal offset test, the cabin remained stable and protected critical body areas for both the driver and the front passenger. Lucid also demonstrated that different body types and seating positions receive similar levels of protection. In the full-width rigid barrier test, protection for both the driver and the rear passenger was either good or adequate. Side impact protection was a major strength, earning maximum points in the mobile barrier test. The side pole test showed marginal protection for the chest, though other areas maintained solid coverage. Whiplash protection for the front and rear seats was also rated highly. Child occupant safety was another strong area. With maximum points in both frontal and side tests for 6-year-old and 10-year-old dummies, the Gravity delivered exceptional protection. Its child presence detection system warns the driver if a child or infant is left inside. The ability to switch off the front passenger airbag allows safe use of rear-facing child seats. Support for vulnerable road users benefited from its active bonnet system, which raises during an impact to reduce pedestrian injury. The autonomous emergency braking system performed strongly when responding to pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcyclists. It also handled braking in stationary vehicles effectively. Safety assist systems like lane support, speed limit recognition, and driver monitoring worked smoothly and consistently. The entire package of awareness, software, and design makes the Gravity feel secure on the road.